All right, welcome to behind the scenes of the Tesla Maryland light show. Check this out, it is getting official. Look at some of these cars. We've got the Quicksilver going over here, and take a look at the Cybertrucks. Wow, the sky looks pretty awesome too right now. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. What a view.
Model 3 owners. Model 3.
Look at all the different Cybertrucks. Hello. Ooh, look at this one's got the lights underneath. Hello. That is sick. That is, whoa, what a color. Hello. Oh my God, look at this. Whoa. They got a dash. What is going on in this car? Oh my God. Whose is this? Wow. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Look how many people are over here too. This is getting real. Yo. We got the plush
animals in the front.
Dude, this is.
Check out
did
the
you see the
rims.
light blue Cybertruck?
Yeah, it's
look
awesome.
inside.
Yeah.
Look, just peek inside of it. It is incredible. Wow. Plushies. All right. Get the wheels on this. Incredible. Wow. Quick stop over here at the Tesla Maryland President office. Excuse me. This is the real office right here. How to use the Cybertruck 101. Welcome, JD. What's going on, man? Thank you for putting this together for us. What an incredible event.
That was the team, off the officers. So
all credit to Tesla Maryland and their awesome president who really knows how to use the Cybertruck, because look at this. This is 101 right here, getting a little heat in there. You know what I'm saying? Nice, man. This is awesome. Wow. Can't get over all the custom trucks. Look at this. All right, never-ending Cybertrucks. Excuse me. Hello. Wow, look at this. Nice color. Whoever this is. And one of my favorite Cybertrucks of all time right here. I just got to come around and hold Bitcoin. What?
it won't do it, and when you move it forward in time, it unchecks it. So they'll probably hopefully keep it checked. Okay, keep it checked.
You see the Bitcoin one? I can't get over that. It is awesome. Look at that. That is so cool. All right, this is behind the scenes. Look at the sky right now too. That is so cool. There's got to be at least 150, close to 200 people here right now. That is nuts. Never ending. All right, so more coming soon.